Tide came in and it nearly buried us here. We saw things like they wouldn't believe. Hear our stories about love and romance, but I swear nothing quite like you and me. Every scar sits like a marker, every line on the face is a small souvenir of all the places, be they good or be they bad, we stopped into on the journey to here. So maybe I lost my sense of direction. I'm alright now. Every man needs a little affection, so I'm alright now. There were times when you're right, I'll confess. I do things of which I am not proud. Everybody wades through the same colored shit, but it doesn't drag everyone down. I was stupid, I was insensitive, I was all the things I promised that I never would be. I've seen a lot of foolish behavior in my time, but I tell you, they've got nothing on me. So maybe I lost my sense of direction, but I'm alright now. Every man needs a little affection, so I'm alright now. Give me strength, give me something to believe in, that I'm alright now. Sing along when your heart's finished bleeding, that I'm alright now. Another evening of sublime self-destruction to the tune of 1,000 cigarettes, where every nail has been hammered into your spirit, but it wasn't able to sink you just yet. Oh God. Television's just a weak anesthetic, numb the senses till you're out like a light. Like all these drugs, they seem to promise you the eye, and they don't keep you warm in the night. I lost my sense of direction, but I'm alright now. Every man needs a little affection, so I'm alright now. Give me strength, give me something to believe in, and I'm alright now. You sing along when your heart's finished bleeding, yeah, I'm alright now. Like I cannot sleep for dreaming. This is everything I could have possibly hoped it would be. A lot of stories will end happy ever after, but I swear nothing quite